In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Revolut virtual card. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So using a virtual card from Revolut is quite straightforward. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. So first is to activate the virtual card. So if you haven't already activated your virtual card, open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Now navigate to the card section, find your virtual card and follow the prompts to activate it. So you may need to set a PIN for added security. Now view the card details. So once activated, you'll be able to view your virtual card details within the Revolut app. So this typically includes the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Now just make your online purchases. So you can use your Revolut virtual card to make online purchases wherever MasterCard or Visa cards are accepted. So during checkout on a website or app, just enter the virtual card details. So it's the card number, expiry date, and CVV, just like you would with a physical card. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.